Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find your favorite games on the Google Play Store in Honor X8. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. And right here, if we try to find the games like Call of Duty or Diablo Immortal, they're not available here in the list. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, go to the settings and reveal family, enter parental controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games. Enter the PIN code, increase PG to 16 and save those settings. Now go back and find the game again. Then it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.